Hi folks, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. Again, this will be the final video on the Dislodging Tactic, section 3, and also the entire chapter. So without further ado, let us begin the analysis of the board. In this situation, black will be the first to move. Red would have one chariot, 2 pawns, and this pawn is also very close to the king and threatens to checkmate. Black would have one chariot, one horse that is under threat by the red chariot, and also a central pawn. Now, in this situation, red was threatening to capture the horse, and also there's the threat of a checkmate by the pawn. Okay, for example, black to move first. Let's say black moved any other move. Red would be prepared to check with r2 plus 4, forcing the king up, forcing retreating, etc. Check, and there will be a threat of a checkmate, and again black will capture the horse, etc. So black's turn to move. First move would be to play h8 plus 9. Now, h8 plus 7, would it be a good move? Although it would seem to be, it would appear to be more sound, but red could counter in this manner. r2 plus 4, check, check. Again, this would be a threat to checkmate. So the sound move in this situation would be to play r8 plus 9, as we shall see. So r2 minus 3. This would, because the horse was now ready to go for the elbow horse checkmate, red would be forced to defend against this potential checkmate by retreating his chariot, and it would appear that red would gain material. However, black would play intermediate check and then use the tactic of ambushing enemy material that was not in direct contact with this move. Now this is a very powerful move because now black will be prepared to play b5 plus 1 to deliver a check and then capture the chariot. And because red did not have a full guard, this would be a book-win situation for black. So for example, in this case, if let's say red played r2 plus 7, trying to free himself from danger, black would still win for sure, because his chariot will now have protected the horse, and there are many other possibilities. He could play r2 minus 1, etc., and black would win for sure. If red immediately retreated, black would consolidate his defense, move his king to safety, and the threat of this pawn would be nullified. And black could take his time to win. The extra horse would mean that black will also have a winning position. So, a quick recap. For example, at the beginning of the board, the sound move would be to play h8 plus 9, whereby black would threaten to checkmate and move his horse to safety. Now, red is forced to protect, and after intermediate check, black will play c2 minus 2 to gain a winning position. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.